Hey there, how's it going? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add a product to your Shopify store. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left sidebar, find the Products button. The Products page opens, listing all your added items. I don't have any products yet, so we'll click Add Product. This opens the product configuration page. In the first field, enter the product name. Choose any name you like, it's up to you. Below, there's a description box for important product details. You can add text, images, or even videos. Include all key info your customers should know. Here I'll just put an example description. Below, we have the media option. Here you'll add all your product images. You can add videos or even 3D models. To add a product image, just click Upload. Your computer's file manager will open. Go to the folder with your product images. Select all images and click Open. All products will be added to the gallery. It'll show the library with all product images. Below is the category option for your product. As I added a t-shirt, it set the category as t-shirt. It identifies the product title. You can click to see all categories or type a new one. There are various categories available here. You can click on one and it'll give you other suggestions. So I'm just going to put it as t-shirt. Below is the crucial matter of pricing. Here you'll see two fields. The first is the price you'll sell this product for. I'll put in the value of 25 here. So this product will be sold for $25. If you want to show a discount, put a higher price on the right, like 50. It'll show the product was $50, now selling for $25. The amount you receive is what's in the price field. The other is just for comparison. I'll leave it blank to show only the selling price. Next is the product tax field. You can enable it or not, depending on your store type. In the next field, we have the cost per item. You don't need to fill this in. It's optional, but if you do, you'll get sales analysis based on product cost. Next, we have the stock section. Here you can enter the quantity you want. If left blank, it'll sell without tracking stock, so you won't have entry and exit numbers. However, if you have physical products, say 10 of this t-shirt, you can set the quantity here, and below you'll see quantity options and addresses. You can add another warehouse, but this is your main address. Enter the stock at this location. So I'll put 10 items. With 10 items, your store can only sell 10 of this product. When one sells, the quantity drops from 10 to 9. That's what I have in stock. Once all 10 sell, it'll be out of stock and unavailable. When you restock, just add it here in Shopify. It's basically inventory control. You can choose to sell even when out of stock. Just check this box if you want that. If you use barcodes, click below to enter product IDs. Next, we have shipping, where you'll enter the product's weight information. First, indicate if it's a physical product. If digital, skip this. For physical items, enter the weight. Here you can set the weight and choose the unit of measurement you prefer. You can use pounds, kilos, or grams. It's up to you to decide. I'll use grams and enter 150. You can input your desired weight. Below, we have variants where you can add any variations you want. For example, if you work with different colors, sizes, or factories, you can add them here. If you want to add color, click on color and then add the product's color option. Now Shopify identifies some options, so it's already set the color to black and white. Since I added product photos, it's identified the colors and provided options. Here you can add variants and customers can choose which one they want when buying. Below, variants appear. For black and white, you can set prices and quantities. You can add sizes if you want. Put in small, medium, large, extra large. Clicking adds more options. For black, you'll have variants in small, medium, and large sizes, and you can manage all of this here, including making changes later. In my case, I'll leave it without any variants, so I'll click and delete it. But if you want, you can just configure it this way, and there are other options here to choose from, including creating custom fields and adding any variant you want. Now below, we'll have the category meta fields. These are basically just fields to help search engines. So here you can set up all the information related to your product. The info here is based on your product description, images, and category. It won't change the product itself, just the metadata. I can delete these. If you click, you can remove all meta fields and I'll just delete them as this is just a tutorial video. You can configure as you see fit. Finally, at the bottom, there's the SEO option where you can click edit and make changes. You can set how this product's info will appear on Google, including the title and description. It shows an example of how it'll look, which you can customize to your liking. Moving up to the right, we have the final settings to configure. Here you can set the product type and supplier information. You can add products to collections, like grouping all your t-shirts together. We'll cover collections in another video, but you can create them if you want. You can also add tags to help your store's search engine find products easily. Feel free to fill in all this data to optimize your product listing. After filling in all the data, scroll to the bottom of the page. On the right, click the Save button. Your product is now created. Click View to open the product page, which is the sales page. My page isn't configured yet, but you can make yours much more professional. You can set up payment methods and other settings. You've already added the product, and if you've set up payments, you can start selling in your Shopify store. I hope this helped. Goodbye.